In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp's Workload view. We'll walk through exactly how to open the Workload view, configure it, and start using it to understand your team's capacity. Go ahead and open your ClickUp Workspace and make sure you're in the correct team space and overview area where your projects or lists live. That's the section where you want to visualize how work is distributed across your team. Near the top of your screen, look for the option to change or add a view. Click on the View button. This is where ClickUp lets you switch between things like list, board, calendar, and more advanced views. From this menu, choose the option that lets you visualize team capacity. This is the Workload view, and it's designed specifically to show who is overloaded, who has room for more tasks, and how work is spread out over time. Once Workload view opens, you'll see a timeline-style layout with team members or assignees on one side and their tasks spread across days or weeks. At this stage, you'll be clicking through a few on-screen highlights or prompts that help you adjust what you're seeing. Follow those prompts as they appear in your interface. Typically, this involves turning on or off certain options so the view matches how your team actually works. One of the most important settings here is Time Estimates. Click on Time Estimates to make sure they're enabled. Workload view relies on these estimates to calculate how busy each person is. If your tasks don't have estimates yet, you can still use Workload, but it becomes much more powerful once you start adding realistic time values, like how many hours a task should take. Continue clicking through the highlighted options in the panel and along the top bar of the Workload view to fine-tune what's displayed. You might be adjusting things like the time range, grouping, or how capacity is measured. Take a moment to scan the view and confirm it's showing the right team members and the right time frame. When you're happy with the setup, click on Save View. This saves all of your current configurations, so you can come back to the exact same workload layout later without having to redo anything. Next, click on one of the tasks shown in the Workload view. This opens the task details in a side panel. From here, you can adjust information that directly affects workload, such as the time estimate, due dates, and other key fields. You'll again follow a few on-screen highlights guiding you to specific controls in the task window. Once you've reviewed those options, close the task panel and return to the Workload view. Finally, click on the assignee control to confirm who is displayed in the workload chart and how they're grouped. Use the highlighted options to apply any final adjustments to your filters or team selection. After you've done this, your Workload view is fully set up, and you can start using it regularly to balance tasks, reassign work, and keep your team's capacity under control.